What is going on, guys? I'm digging into my scap there. How you guys doing? This is me and Presco's first workout video back from the shows, and it feels good. Like, body's feeling good. We filmed the grand opening of Asylum Health and Supplements. I believe that's the name of Umar's spot. It's something along the lines of that. Umar and Colin. On the first, they grand opened, so huge shout out and congrats to them. The store is awesome. It's in, I guess, Voorhees or Gibbsboro. I forget what the exact address is, but you can look them up on IG. Presco, if we can, we'll put the IG here, and they can kind of find the address there. But today is Wednesday, which normally is a push day, and today it does happen to be chest and shoulders, but it's chest and shoulders because I'm changing my training split a little bit here. So I'm going to be adjusting some things. Hi, baby. Say hi to YouTube.
What up, fam?
We're going to be changing training slightly. It's still like very similar to what I've been doing up until this point. Just hitting some things a bit more frequently, and I'll talk about this more in depth later. But basically, I'm going to be doing 4 workouts with 5 training days a week. Like it's a 4-day or 4 workouts, and then cycling through those. So it's going to be a back and arm day, a chest and shoulder day, a back and arm day, and then a leg day. On that leg day, I might do 1 shoulder movement, like a lateral raise. Basically, like, I still want to bring up back and arms. Going to be hitting those very a lot more frequent, every like 2 to 3 days. And then, chest, shoulders, and then legs is going to be hit every like 5 to 6 days. This is going to be really good for me, and I'll explain why, like in a snippet or a later video, or later in this video. Maybe we'll be talking about this later in the workout. I probably will. But I'm going to continue through my warm-up here for the chest and shoulder day, and then we're going to dive in. A lot of these movements you've seen before. However, I'm going to make some slight adjustments here just based off of when I'm hitting the session again, right? It's going to be in 5 to 6 days versus 7 days. So a little bit more frequent for my chest, but I would like to bring up my chest a little bit. And then, like again, same thing for legs, right? I'm used to hitting quads once a week, hamstrings 2 times a week. What I was noticing was my hamstrings, for how crazy developed and big they are, they were starting to get a little bit more beat up. So I'm going to kind of pull back ever so slightly to let them recover more, which is going to help them grow more. When I've done this in the past, it's helped them. But I can handle a little bit more frequency for the quads. So we're just going to hit 1 full leg day every 5 to 6 days. And it's going to be perfect. And I'm going to kind of monitor the volume in the session on the muscle group based off of what I need to improve and bring up more so. So stay tuned for those changes to come. But let's crush this workout. Weighing 175 pounds.
my.
You got 10 last week, right?
Yeah. I want 11. It'd be nice.
I'm also feeling really
Beat up. Yeah.
All right. Well, 11, but or a clean 10. All right. Let's go, Charlie. Lock it. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Drive. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yeah, 2 apples. Yeah. Come on. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Come on. 11. Drive. Yeah.
Thank you.
Last 2 weeks, you got a +1 on this. I spotted you last 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep. Good. Come on. Squeeze. Yep. Beautiful.
Oh, jeez.
My bad.
Hey, shot.
Yes. Oh, yes. Come on.
Charlie, use this piece at all?
I use that as my...
This is gonna be heavy. Right, Charlie? 2 plates from this? Heavy? I'm like, if I get 6 at least, I'll take it. I don't like getting below that. I really don't like getting below like 7 or 8 to like if it's very controlled, then I'm like, I could do a forced, like I do another rep to failure. I'm like, stop there. Stop.
12 is my money for pressing.
Yeah. Yeah. For pressing?
Yeah.
For me, I've seen success from like 6 to 10, but only that low reps for that muscle group. Everything else is usually like 8 to 15.
It's more stable pressing too.
Yeah.
Like this, like I wouldn't do that for disconnect this and do it that many.
Oh, fuck. No. Oh, shit. Yeah, no, for that. All right. Come on.
Yep. Good. Clean. Oh yeah. Come on. Yep. Come on. One more. I got you. Come on.
Now we're called out.
You got it?
Yeah.
It catches up, right?
Good.
It catches up right here.
And honestly,
Here
bro,
to here.
I could have got that one with failure for you, but like new piece.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Let me just like.
You're gonna feel quite sore.
I think that was a smart. That felt phenomenal. Like I said, I could have got that 6 on with you, but I was like,
Maybe I'll drop the weight and use you for a failure on the back off. Just play it a little. I haven't done this before. It feels good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good, buddy. Okay. Fuck.
So that's a lot lower reps than I would like to do. That is a lot lower reps than I'd like to do. But I did it safely. My chest is super pumped up and it felt phenomenal. So just like Charlie was right, next week when I do this, I gotta go a little bit lighter for the tops because 2 plates per side on this felt like, I mean, it was a very clean 5 reps, but like even the 1 1/4 back off, heavy as shit. These mega mass pieces are good. They're very good.
I told you it was heavy. I told you.
Yeah. I'm trying to improve my back and my arms more than anything. And they need to be hit a little bit more frequent. They can handle it. But I also am trying to improve, you know, my chest a little bit. Obviously, like, believe it or not, trying to improve my legs still from certain angles and positions. With learning how much is too much for my legs, because I tend to get super beat up with my legs. I have a tough time managing fatigue with my joints and just with everything. So what I'm going to be doing is back and arm day, chest and shoulder day, back and arm day, and then a leg day that might have a shoulder movement on there to start or to finish. And basically I'm training like 2 days on, 1 day off, 3 days on, 1 day off, or like 2 on, 1 off, 2 on, 1 off. Like basically I'm gonna be doing a revolving split. So I hit back and arms every 2 to 3 days with how I'm training right now. With this split, I'll be hitting back and arms every 2 to 3 days. With chest and shoulders, it'll be every 5 to 6 days. And with legs, it'll be every 5 to 6 days. Shoulders might be every 2 to 3 if I put something on leg day. But like, the point is my chest volume is moving up, my chest frequency is moving up a little bit, and my overall leg frequency is moving up a little bit. I used to be doing more hamstring work. I don't think I need as much direct hamstring work and need more glute work, so I'm gonna be having 1 full leg day a lot sooner where I hit the whole leg and hit a little bit more frequent. So it'll be good for recovery, for the knees, not hitting hams too much. It'll be better for quads, hitting them a little bit sooner. So that's the general gist of the split. So like I said, every 5 to 6 days for chest and shoulders, and every 5 to 6 days for legs, every 2 to 3 days for back and arms. And just cycle through those 4 days with A-B variations for everything. So we're not hitting the same leg day every 5 to 6 days. I couldn't squat every 5 to 6 days. So we'll change up compounds to create a little bit more stimulus for them. The last movement for chest, we're only gonna do 3 chest movements, but this last movement's gonna have 3 sets. It's gonna be the stride press, love it. So we did kind of like a decline fly. We did like an incline compound, and then this is more of a flat incline. So we really cover every part of the chest here. It'll be 7 sets total for chest. Then we're gonna move to shoulders. one of the best pressing machines is the Strive press, no doubt. There's some moves that just like feel good for you, and this is definitely one. Just like for me, like if I find a good seated hamstring curl, you lock into that, like it's nothing like it. You know what I mean? There's certain things and certain movements you do that just like I really love a single arm cable lateral raise. Like just connects so well with the shoulder. You figure out these movements for you, and you keep them in your routine for as long as possible until you stall or you do a different order with them. Like that could be a good adjustment to your training too. It's like if you stall on something, change where it is in the workout and purposely change the weight of it. We're moving on the shoulders now, and for now I'm going to be doing single arm cable lateral raises, just 2 sets. Then I'm going to be doing, I think, reverse pec deck right here for 3 sets, and then finish off with a lateral raise machine for 2 sets. I'm debating on throwing a press back in here. Might do that down the road. I haven't shoulder pressed in like, oh my God. Has to have been like a year plus, a year and a half, 2 years. Yeah, it hasn't been in a program for a while, which is kind of crazy. Lateral raises are key. I will say though, from an overall like functionality standpoint, like probably doing an overhead press is important for like an ADL. That means an activity of daily living. You squat down, you pick up things off the ground. Like it's good to do those things. You press things overhead. You push yourself away. It's good to be able to do those things like push-ups, pulls, like stuff like that. So it might be worthwhile for you for overall health of shoulder and just life to throw in a shoulder press. Maybe not from a bodybuilding standpoint, but we got two different lateral raise moves and a rear delt movement right now. This is one of those goated movements for shoulders. Single arm cable lateral raise. Whether you cuff or grab the handle, that's going to be more preference. Some people say when you cuff, you can lift more with the shoulder and it doesn't get into the forearm. I've done both, and just right now, like it feels better for me to grab the handle. I don't know why. I feel strong. I feel secure. I feel like my forearm grip is not like impacting my lateral, because when I've done it with cuff or without cuff, my reps are roughly the same with the same weight, and this feels pretty good for me. So I like this setup for now, but feel free to like grab a cuff, and this way your hand's loose and you can just, you know, do a lateral with your shoulder. But I like how this feels. I don't connect well with a lot of rear delt movements, and honestly I don't connect well with a lot of reverse pec decks because of just like my shoulder and scap imbalance. But for whatever reason with this particular one, how I have the seat and when I set the handles, it almost keeps my shoulders depressed, but I'm still able to really engage my rear delt in the fly and not activate your traps are activated, but not like elevate my shoulder where I feel off balance. I'm able to keep them depressed. And so this pec deck actually feels really good. Other than this, I like doing single arm rear delt flies from like high to low. Not a lot of rear delt movements work well with me, but that one does as well.
to check it. Tell your friends to get with my friends. We could be friends. Shit, we could do this every weekend. Alright? Is that alright with you? Yeah. Keep that.
Good chest and shoulder day. Good thing about this split too that I'm running is, and I'm actually getting a treadmill at home. Looking forward to being able to do cardio at home, having a little bit more ability to kind of change training and cardio as needed. You know, this is what I do. You know, number 9 in the world in my division. I need to be able to do everything I have to do, and having cardio at home can be very helpful. So I want to give a shout out to Steve from Super Fitness because he's hooking me up with treadmill. So, you know, I have my fasting routine I can do at home. As soon as I wake up, get moving, don't have to worry about traveling to gym, just bang everything out at home. It's gonna be super essential and a staple for me moving forward in my career, and allow me to kind of have freedom in my framework to do other things I need to do as a bodybuilder, whether it's training split or like, you know, days off or certain, you know, flexibility. But yeah, this was really good. I'll hit chest and shoulders again. I'll hit it again on Monday, I think, next week. Today's Wednesday, so it's getting moved up. Normally I would be hitting 9 sets of chest today. I just did 7, but I'm hitting it 2 days sooner. So I'll kind of figure out where my volume needs to be to progress within the frequency parameters I'm hitting for both chest, shoulders, and with legs. Arms and back, on my 2 arms and back day that I have that I'm hitting frequent, I kind of know where I'm at, because that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm hitting those things every 3 days right now, kind of. So I kind of know where my volume needs to be, but I'll have to adjust legs because it's a full leg day once every 5 to 6 days versus like legs and a little bit of ham work, right? So getting some adjustment there. But guys, that was chest and shoulders. We're officially in my health recovery phase post-show. We're about, how many weeks post-show am I? Almost 3, maybe 3 from Hurricane, 4 from the O. It'll be 4 from the O this weekend. Probably 4 weeks from the O. So I've been just being transparent with you guys on just hormone replacement therapy through Vivo, my hormone sponsor who takes care of my lab work and whatnot. You guys can utilize them too. VivoHealthSolutions.com, using code JBADS as a referral and a savings for you guys. Tell them Justin sent you. They'll take care of your health, your blood work, anything that you need to improve your health. They're helping me right now in my recovery phase before it's time to grow and get into fucking bulking before prep starts. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Give Presco some love. Give me some love. Give everyone love. Presco love, baby. Guys, stay tuned. Thanks so much. See you guys soon.